Hi everybody, we're modelling the VisionButler today, myself and Dr. Paul Moore. Let's get going.
Okay, it's a soft black photo contraster that also acts as a lip retractor. Open wide, really easy to place. You pop it behind the teeth and then you can just flip it forwards and it engages the sulcus and the buccal corridor and off you go. You've got a great retraction, open, close, working on the front teeth or photography. The VisionButler, black soft satin finish, suitable for a contraster and So let me show you how the VisionButler works. Open wide for me, you squeeze in the sides, place it on the tongue side of the teeth, and then we can just bring it forwards, flip it over the top and bottom teeth. Now, bite together, just bite and hold, and it gives us this lovely retraction and great visibility on the sides. Just open a little bit. That's good. Doesn't come out. And yeah, the black will act as a lovely photo contraster.